Last time, we learned that variables are like labeled boxes that store information. But here's the thing. Boxes sitting alone on shelves aren't very useful. The real magic happens when variables start working together. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to make your variables talk to each other, combine their powers, and create something new. Let's dive in. Welcome back to Python for Humans. I'm Alex. Quick recap. In our warehouse, we organize information into labeled boxes called variables. Today, I discovered something amazing. These boxes can interact with each other, and when they do, the possibilities become endless. I have 2 boxes. One labeled apples contains the number 5. Another labeled oranges contains the number 3. A customer asks, "How much fruit do you have in total?" I realized I need to combine these boxes. In Python, we use the plus operator. Watch this. Total fruit equals apples plus oranges. Python takes the value from the apples box, that's 5, adds it to the value from the oranges box, that's 3, and creates a new box I ate inside. The original boxes stay the same. We just created new information by combining them. This is called an arithmetic operation. I'm excited. If we can add, what else can we do? Let's explore. Subtraction. If I have 10 boxes and give 3, we write remaining equals 10 minus 3. Result, 7 boxes left. Multiplications. I need to stack boxes. 3 of 4 boxes total. Notice we use an asterisk for multiplication, not an X. Division. I have 20 items to split equally into 4 boxes. We write per box equals 20 divided by 4. Each box gets 5 items. We use a forward slash for division. These 4 operators, plus, minus, times, divided, are your basic math tools in Python. Here's where it gets interesting. You can combine multiple operations in one line. I calculate. I have 5 apples, get 3 more, give away 2, then double what's left. In Python, result equals 5 plus 3 minus 2 times 2. But wait, does Python calculate left to right, or is there an order? Python follows math rules. Multiplication and division happen before addition and subtraction. So Python does. 5 plus 3 is 8, minus 2 is 6, then times 2 equals 12. If you want to change the order, use parentheses. Result equals, open parenthesis, 5 plus 3 minus 2, close parentheses, times 2. Now Python does the parentheses first. 8 minus 2 is 6, then times 2 is 12. Same answer here, but parentheses give you control. Here's a mind-bending trick. Variables can update themselves. I have a score variable with 10 points. A player earns 5 more points. We write score equals score plus 5. Wait, what? How can score equal itself plus 5? Think of it this way. Python reads the right side first. It looks at the current score. 10 adds 5, getting 15. Then it puts 15 into the score box, replacing the old value. The score box now contains 15. This pattern is so common, Python has a shortcut. Score plus equals 5. This means take the current score and add 5 to it. You can do this with any operator. Minus equals, times equals, divide equals. Super handy. Let's see this in action. I'm calculating a bill. Item 1 costs $15. Item 2 costs $8. There's a $3 discount, and we need to add 10% tax. Here's how. Subtotal equals 15 plus 8. That's 23. After the discount equals the subtotal minus 3. That's 20. Tax amount equals after discount times 0.1. That's $2. Final total equals after discount plus tax amount. That's $22. We broke down a complex calculation into clear, simple steps. Each variable has a meaningful name that tells us exactly what it represents. This is how professional programmers write code. Clear, organized, and easy to understand. And that's how variables work together in Python. You've learned addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, combining operations, and updating variables. Practice by creating your own calculations, maybe a shopping cart, a grade calculator, or a tip calculator. Next time, we're diving into something more exciting, the list warehouse, where one variable can hold multiple pieces of information. If this made sense, press the like button and subscribe for more Python concepts explained simply. I'm Alex, and remember, coding is just organized thinking.